Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a boomerang from a video on iPhone. The first thing you will need to do is open the Instagram app. Once you have opened the app, you're going to tap on the plus in the top right hand corner and you'll select Story. From here, you can choose the video that you would like to make the boomerang from. For example, this video right here. Once you have selected the video, you're going to tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner. Then you'll tap on Boomerang. Now you're going to drag the slider to the section of the video that you would like to convert to a boomerang. Then tap on Apply. Next, you're going to tap on Done in the top right hand corner. Now you can either choose to share the video on your story, or you can tap on the three dots again in the top right hand corner and select Save. And once you have saved the video, you'll be able to share the boomerang on any social media platform you like. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.